Welcome to part 3 of Fluent English Masterclass. Today we learn basic to advanced English sentences. Let's start. Don't say, "That's obvious." Say, "It's crystal clear." Repeat after me, "It's crystal clear." Don't say, "I don't believe it." Say, "That's hard to believe." Repeat after me, "That's hard to believe." Don't say, "Maybe." Say, "There's a chance." Repeat after me, "There's a chance." Don't say, "I'm worried." Say, "I'm concerned." Repeat after me, "I'm concerned." Don't say, "I'm shocked." Say, "I'm speechless." Repeat after me, "I'm speechless." Don't say, "I'm confused." Say, "I'm puzzled." Repeat after me, "I'm puzzled." Don't say, "I'm disappointed." Say, "I'm let down." Repeat after me, "I'm let down." Don't say, "I'm impressed." Say, "I'm blown away." Repeat after me, "I'm blown away." Don't say, "That's funny." Say, "That's priceless." Repeat after me, "That's priceless." Don't say, "That's impossible." Say, "Not a chance." Repeat after me, "Not a." Don't say, "I can do it." Say, "I've got this." Repeat after me, "I've got this." Don't say, "Don't be sad." Say, "Cheer up." Repeat after me, "Cheer up." Don't say, "Relax." Say, "Take a chill pill." Repeat after me, "Take a chill pill." Don't say, "That's easy." Say, "No sweat." Repeat after me, "No sweat." Don't say, "That's difficult." Say, "It's a tough nut to crack." Repeat after me, "It's a tough nut to crack." Don't say, "Tell me." Say, "Fill me in." Repeat after me, "Fill me in." Don't say, "I understand." Say, "Loud and clear." Repeat after me, loud and clear. Don't say, "I don't care." Say, "It's no big deal." Repeat after me, "It's no big deal." Don't say, "Let's leave." Say, "Let's hit the road." Repeat after me, "Let's hit the road." Don't say, "I'm lucky." Say, "I hit the jackpot." Repeat after me, "I hit the jackpot." Don't say, "I failed." Say, "I messed up." Repeat after me, "I messed up." Don't say, "I'm busy." Say, "I've got my hands full." Repeat after me, "I've got my hands full." Don't say, "It's raining heavily." Say, "It's pouring." Repeat after me, "It's pouring." Don't say, "It's very hot." Say, "It's boiling." Repeat after me, "It's boiling." Don't say, "It's very cold." Say, "It's chilly." Repeat after me, "It's chilly." Don't say, "I'm very nervous." Say, "I'm on edge." Subscribe for next part.